The Pennsylvania Turnpike's maintenance utility workers who drive our safety patrol trucks have a new tool of the trade to help motorists on the highway.
We come along the road a lot of times with broken down customers that have a dead battery. For some odd reason, the battery went dead. I don't know why, maybe a cold or hot day, or maybe they left something on the car while they pulled over. But this is going to be another great tool that's in our box that we can use out on the highway to get our motorists in a safe position.
It's called a jump hack, and every safety patrol driver has one to quickly and easily jump cars with dead batteries and get drivers on their way. Here's how it works.
Well, the jumper cables go from one vehicle to another. This battery pack has a battery in here, a lithium battery, and all you do here is turn on the power, and you can see how they're separated. You don't want them touching at all. So as we're doing this, what we want to do is make sure that we're on the right connections. As we have here, we have negative first, so we want to put the negative on, and then put the positive on here. You push the power button, and we're ready to go. The customer should be able to start their vehicle up and be on their way.